Running payroll is another core feature of Noto. Payroll can be calculated under Finances, Payroll on the left-hand navigation. To begin payroll, start with the Pay Rates tab in the top right. Every staff member entered into Noto has a default pay rate that is hourly. Overrides can also be added for either services or by enrollments. This means if instructors make a different amount for a different service they teach, or for a particular student, those overrides can be added from this tab as well. Everything that has not been submitted in Payroll yet will show up in the Unsubmitted tab. The sessions that show up here are all sessions that have been marked attended for the given time frame. Because attendance has been marked, the client has been billed for them already, which means they will show up in Payroll. Marking attendance is the exact action that triggers both billing as well as payroll. Every pay period, the date range of the sessions being paid out for must be selected. The sessions are reviewed here. Attendance pending can also be checked. Attendance pending means that these sessions were scheduled during this time frame, but have not been marked attended yet for one reason or another. This is an indication to verify if these sessions actually occurred or if they had not occurred. If they had occurred, it could just be that marking attendance was forgotten. If they have not occurred, then they should be deleted from the calendar. To submit payroll, the checkbox can be selected for all instructors, and submit is hit. This exports a report of all the sessions, the time and rate, as well as the payout. To export this into payroll software, there are a few different options. Itemized CSV exports this exact view into a CSV format. For summary CSV, there are two options depending on the format the payroll software requires. Instructor totals will show the pay rate aggregated by instructor, the date range, total hours worked over that date range, and total payout. The second report, Instructor plus Pay Rate, is very similar. This report will show the instructors, their pay rate, and total payout separated by their pay rate. This is useful if the payroll software requires entering separate hours for different pay rates. Depending on what payroll software is being used, there are different formats to export the payroll from Noto and import it into the software. Historical payouts can then be accessed from the payout history. Here, the date range for each particular payout is visible, and it can be accessed, filtered, or exported as needed for future reference.